Hello everyone, my name is CMA. Welcome back to CMA Modules. Today we will be recording a video lecture on chapter known as Preparation of Financial Statements for Commercial Organizations, Module 3.1. In this lecture, we will be recording sum number 3, wherein we are required to prepare Profit and Loss Appropriation Account. Let us try to understand what is Profit and Loss Appropriation Account. In this account, we are required to transfer whatever partnership firm is earning to respected partners, their profits and interest if any, drawings amount if any. So everything related to partnership firm we are supposed to transfer to partners in the partnership ratio, partnership profit ratio, profit and loss ratio. Now, such type of accounts are not applicable to sole proprietor. So there, whatever profit or reserves or whatever amount he earns, it is transferred to reserves account, or it is transferred, any dividend amount is paid, or it is not required for any other form of organization. But yes, for partnership forms, such this form of organization, it is required to prepare P&L appropriation account. Now, if you see this question, X, Y, and Z are three partners sharing profit and losses equally. Their capital as on 1st April 2021 are X 80,000, Y 60,000, and Z 50,000. So we have capital details, opening capital details is given to us. They mutually agreed on the following points. Interest on capital to be allowed is 5%. Interest on capital to be allowed is 5%. So I'll take interest on capital is nothing but expense to me. Okay, interest on capital is expense to me. So I have to interest on capital. Okay, to interest on capital, I have X, Y, and Z. So here I have 5% on 5% on 80,000, 5% on 80,000. Then I have 60,000 into 5%. Then I have 50,000 into 5%. So interest on my capital account is done. I'll just sum it up. Then I have next one, X to be received a salary of rupees 500 per month. So I'm supposed to give salary to X. So I'm partnership firm. It's an expense to me. Debit all expenses and losses to salaries account. So 500 into 12 is 6,000. Then we have a Y, so salary to X. Then we have to commission, right? Commission is supposed to be given to Y. Commission to Y. Y to be received a commission at the rate of 4% on net profit after charging such commission. So after charging such commission, we are supposed to pay 4% commission to Y. So let us calculate our net profit. So how to calculate net profit? Net profit is already given to us in the question. Working note, calculation of commission. Okay, calculation of commission. So we have 66 net profit. On net profit is 66,720. On net profit, we are required to calculate our commission amount. So what they have mentioned after charging on net profit, after charging such commission. So 9,500 is an expense, interest. So out of 66,720, I'll remove 9,500. I will remove my 6,000 salary amount. So I'll get balance as 51,220. So I'll remove my interest on capital amount. I'll remove my salary to X. Okay, this will be my balance. So if I do this, I'll get my answer. Okay, 51,220. So this I got. Now what I'm supposed to do? I'm supposed to calculate commission. So commission amount is 51,220 into 4%. Okay, divided by 104, because I'm supposed to find out 4. This is equal to 104. Okay, so 51,220, this is equal to 104. It has commission amount also. So what is 4%? I'm supposed to find out 4%. So what is 4%? So for 4%, 51,220 into 4 divided by 104. So that is 1970. So I'll take 1970 here. Okay, so my commission amount is also done. Then I have, after charging all other items, 10% of net profit to be transferred to general reserve. So after charging all the items, we are required to transfer 10% to general reserves. Now what is general reserve? So my net profit after commission. So I have subtracted everything. I am just required to subtract commission. So 51,220 minus 1970, I'll get 49,250 on this 10%. So this 10% is my reserve amount. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll write here two reserves, two general reserves, that is 4925. Now balance is my P&L item, P&L profit. So what I'll do is, they have given me 66,720. So by profit and loss account, it is 66,720. Okay. So you have 66,720. 66,720. This is my total. Okay. Now what I'll be doing here is to profit and loss account. So what I'll do here, I'll sum up everything. 66. So 66,720 minus this, I'll get 34,325 as my profit. Now I'll transfer this to X, Y and Z respectively. So they are sharing an equal proportion. So 45,325 divided by 3, I'll get 14,775. So I'm done with my sum. Please go for sum. Just total it up. Yeah, done. I hope you were comfortable with this lecture. Thank you.